Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kakur Lyngdoh Mairang ka Khot ka wer ki parakur ki badan ha ka briu hinyo trap bakin ya poi renti sya ka jingalang jong ka Dorbar kur ka banlong ha ka santrik unailar aja pun riu ha ka shnang Pyndengumïong Mairang ya kini ka Dorbar kur ka baderu ka Dorbar kur ka beningkong jong ka kur Lyngdoh Mairang en pelong hati rot sing Memorial Hall Pyndengumïong ha ka por shi po shi teng mestem ya ki jingtip ki bakamania pilaman telefon ha kini ki mobile number Nyau nuat prasan line riu iwe nyau nuat riu but how number kendai pra riu RR iwe sao iwe nyau pra
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.